13:51, Stepford Express, service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, West Wyvern, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. We will call at St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. The next station will be St Helens Bridge. We will shortly be arriving at St Helens Bridge. Change here for trains to Berrily. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stepford Central only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. Platform 5 for the 13:56 Stepford Connect service to Willowfield. Calling at Stepford East, Stepford Central.